Diamond. 3-box break. Gosh, bro, I know I do too on the back, dude. I'm trying to avoid it, but every time I avoid it, it's getting worse. Black Diamond 3-box break, not case. Number 1. First time we've only done 3 boxes. Let's roll through these team owners. All right, we got Anaheim going to the one and only Beef. Shout out to any vegetarians. Still offer still stands. We got Coyotes going to Trav. I think that's Gregor Jr. I'm not sure if that's Gregor Jr. or not. It could be brother of Gregor, son of Gregor. We got Boston Brain Damage, Buffalo, Joey. We got Calgary, Joey D. Canes going to London, Bobundin. Chicago, the one and only Riley. Oh, it is Gregor Jr. All right, shout out to Gregor Jr. in the house. We got Canes, London, Chicago, Riley. Colorado, the one and only historian, Holly. Columbus, Brandon. Dallas, Cam Bam. Detroit, Brandon. Edmonton, Facalio. We got Florida, Brandon. Kings, J-Tac, One-E-Tac, Give a Dog a Bone. Minnesota, Holly. Montreal, Elcat. Nash, Haas. Devs, Joey D. Isles, Fritz, sitting on the Ritz. We got Rangers, one and only Derek L. Who's getting a mad, crazy, insane Bowman shipment. Ottawa, Brad Benini. Fly, Dasher, Pitt, DC Pens, Sharks, Joe D. Blues, Paulie H. A Paulie. Tampa Bay, Brandon. Toronto, Ray Sports Cards, otherwise known back in the day as Mojo Ray. Canucks, Holly. Vegas, Nico, Kaliko, Bobico. And we got Capitals going to Brandon. And Winnipeg Jets going to Brandon. The Riley man. Brandon, the Riley man. Because the Riley man can. All right, let's do it. Gregor Jr. in the house. Otherwise known as son of Gregor. Gregor is also known as Sir Gregor. Gregor was actually knighted. He became a knight in the UK, in England. So, he is known as Sir Gregor in the UK. Just a little fun facts about Gregor that most people don't know. His humility will not allow him to talk about it. Alright, let's go. Coveners. Whoa! Whoa! Holy! Jack! What the heck is going on, bro? Oh, jeez. Oh, my gosh. What in Sam Carnations is going on over here? 349, Jack Attack Eichel. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. What do I do? Alright, let me see if I got... I don't know if this will work or not. I'll try it. Size, that's too big. Oh, jeez. It's just base. I don't need to ship that much Bowman to Derek. It hasn't been that long. Don't worry, guys. Derek's like, oh my gosh. Here we go, Big Derek! Need I say more? Number to 49, quad, diamond, relic, rookie, Laffy Taffy Bo Baffy. Holy smokes, baby. Oh my gosh. Derek's like, okay, I forgive you for not shipping the Bowman out for a couple of weeks. I forgive you temporarily, Rob. I pardon you. I'm getting a pardon from Derek. Oh my gosh, Derek. What the heck, man? Ay, ay, ay. Let me see here. I tried finding a one touch. I don't have the right size, D. I don't. Run for the cup, Brad Marchand. Nice run for the cup for Marchand for Boston, number to 99. It's just base. It's just base. It's just base. It's no big deal. It's just base. Relic Diamond Mine for the Vegas Knights, Marky Stone. Can you imagine, since these are loose boxes, if there was one of those per box? I would demand that Derek give me one of them. For a good price. We got $349. Kiefer Bellows. Like, at least give me a deal. If I pull 3, Derek, do I get a good deal on one of them? We got Peyton Krebs, Vegas. That's the one thing with loose boxes. Sometimes it can happen, something crazy. He's not committing to giving me a good deal if I do 3. But that's breaking for you, huh, Derek? You never know what can happen. Well, let's see. Let's see what we got. And we got $349 Austin Matthews. Well, I remember that one time Ramos was probably there. That one time we did the Kraken and we pulled, because we had loose boxes on Cup. And we pulled 4 shields. What was it? 5 shields and 2 cases. No, 4 shields and 2 cases. Something like that. It was like 4 or 5 shields and the equivalent of 2 cases. Number to 149, Shane Bowers. Silver on black for the Avalanche. Good old Bowers. Number to 149 for the Avs. And Mr. Cozen himself. Does it say Cozen or is it Cousins? What up, Elcat? Jumbo team logo for the buff. And we got Edmonton Oil, Connor McDavid, 349. Ellie, did you see this? Number to 100, silver on black. We got Billy Smith for NYI. Nice hit for the Isles. Go old guys. And we got an NHL Squiz jersey, 149, Mikko Rantanen. Derek, seriously, I'm with you, dude. I'm totally myself. Ah, jeez. How crazy is that? We do a master case. Nothing close like that comes out. We do 3 boxes, that comes out. That's why sometimes I like loose boxes. Like, I almost want to do loose boxes of the equivalent of a case. Good luck, guys. 349, the Nuge for the Oil. Oh, jeez, bro. That's right. You did. Single Diamond Mine Relic Rookie. 2 of the 3 boxes we had diamonds. Single Diamond. Pavel Francouz to 99 for the Avs. Not bad. 2 of the 3 boxes. We got a Diamond Debut Relics number to 399. Liam Foudy, CBJ. Rookie Gems to 99. Krebs, Vegas. We got a Diamond Cutters. Trevor Linden for the Cooks. I like these cutters, actually. Shoot, what about, remember the days of doing 10 Masters in a night, Derek? Through the numbers, you just pulled heat no matter what, just based on numbers. 299 Exquiz base. That is Pasternak for Boston. You just did so much that it seemed like you were, you know, that could be it too. Maybe you feel like you had such great hits because you did 10 Masters in a night. Let's see. I need a couple top loaders.